I think I broke it. No. 24. Sportage. And we completely removed the radio. So I'm going to pause it. I'm going to snap my finger. And we're going to go into how we did it. You ready? Right there in the corner. You can pull just far enough to get your handy dandy hook tool in there. And then slowly, Wesley, slowly pry your way around. And it will give one clip at a time. One clip at a time. One clip at a time. You see? Pop, pop, pop. I don't want to do it again because I hate to do things twice. But come back on top, same thing. See? Slowly, this whole panel will pop out. Then you can start doing it sort of by hand. See? Slowly. Now I worked my way around this whole thing. You got to be careful right here, because they do clip right there. 1, 2. Right? 1, 2. So I came. You can see where I sort of used this leverage and pop this guy out. You gotta slowly pop it out. Don't think you're gonna pull the whole panel all at once. Slowly. It'll work its way out. Slowly. Slowly. All these little tabs. All these little tabs will work their way out. Will work their way off. You see, you also got these guys too holding you in. You see? So that is how you get the panel off. And then these these 4 in the middle just sort of pop themselves back out once you got the right leverage behind it. So put that in a safe place, and then we got 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. I already took them out. Here's the last one, and here's my little tray full of them. And this puppy will pop out. Now this is just a display. The regular rest of the radio is right there. What are you going to do with this? I have no idea, nor do I care. But you got 1 screw back there, 1 screw already took out, 1 last one's here. And we're going to take this puppy out and show you whatever the hell you want to do with it is back there. It's your brain for the radio. Why do I know that? Because it says frequency, dude. That's your radio. You see? Look at this. 87.5 to 107.9. We are in America. So, there you have it. Put everything back in reverse order. Just sort of stuff it. So, like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.